Hey guys, Craig here, Hot Wheels boys. Just want to show you guys a quick review on the JLHKraft's digital timer and the start gate. So this is the starting mechanism. That's all connected up to the digital timer. I'll set up the digital timer shortly. Just want to show you. Very sturdy, very well 3D printed. Looks fantastic. Sits well on the track, I think. Going to sit just here. I've cut two notches in the track so that the lasers can record the races. Also, I got a stand up here. The start gate, 2-lane start gate. Very good actually. It is slightly wider, so like some of the other start gates that I had was some of the cars that are slightly wider, like the Cybertruck. If you see on peak time racing, it can't fit on his track. They get jammed. It gets jammed, so you can't race them. But yeah, the Cybertruck can run there on here nicely. In fact, I'll do a video at the end showing you the Cybertruck running on my race mountain. So I'll just set it up and show you how it works. So just give me a second. So there we go, guys. I've set it up. So I've just got the trigger there. I'll just zoom in just to show you what will happen. So if I press the green button on here and it's go, and there we go. It's running, and then when the car goes through the sensor, it will stop. So I'll just put it back to 0 and I'll just do one quick run down the track so you guys can see. Well, here we go, guys. Here's the Cybertruck. Pretty cool casting, but on previous start gate that I had, it didn't fit in there. But this one here, it's got just that little bit more space, which is fantastic. A great improvement on the design. Don't forget to check out JLHKraft's downhill racing. Great product. The set is fantastic. So we'll run down the Cybertruck. I'll actually put it in lane. Let's get it there properly. You can see it in lane 1, or the inside lane, and we'll see how it goes. Here we go. And the Cybertruck with a time of 6.2956 seconds. Yeah, so that's the JLHKraft's downhill racing set. Fantastic design. Great addition to anybody looking to start up a race mountain. I highly recommend his product. It's very good quality, very strong. Looks like, especially the start gate and the finish line, well built, well thought of, good design. So yeah, go and check out Jason's. He's got a Facebook page as well as a YouTube channel. I'm not sure if he has Instagram. I'm sure he must have Instagram. Everyone has Instagram nowadays. So yeah, till next time, guys. Keep on wheeling, and I look forward to holding many race tournaments on this track. So yeah, keep on wheeling again, and if you like my video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. Till next time, bye.